A lot of times we hear, fear is that, the good guys are in the big companies and the big companies won't, I'm just a little guy. We see it all the time. If you're set up right, they'll come work for you if you look like you know what you have going on,
right,
and it looks like there's security.
Right.
Okay.
You got decent branding. You've got nice equipment. There's some systems. You interview them, not at the side of the truck, your piece of crap truck on a job site and you're, flicking cigarettes out and whatever, right?
Right.
There's no security there.
So that leads to what you need to do is provide a better opportunity. Okay. That's how you attract these guys too. So provide a better opportunity.